Alright guys, Spliff here. Welcome back, and today we're going to check out the Xiaomi Enchen Boost Hair Clipper. WTF, we're going farther and farther away from God each day. Enough said. This is a gaming channel, goddammit. How did this content end up here?
So freaking hot in the Philippines.
With the pandemic still lurking around, salons are still a risk. Today I'm gonna do what I should have done a long time ago, start of summer. I'm gonna discard a precious part of me, which I have for a very long time. Not because you told me to, but because of the pressures of society. Not for the sake of others, not for the benefit of anyone else, but because it's hot. But before we cut any part of my body, let's check out first the Xiaomi Enchen Boost Hair Clipper. Let's do this.
Ang sama ito, operahan.
I'm probably the last guy asked for hair care. I haven't even cut my hair for more than a year, but I guess it's lighter now. I feel so alive. So, if you are into DIY stuff and you like experimenting and stuff, like your hair, why don't you give the Xiaomi Enchen Boost Hair Clipper a try? It's cheap and very easy to use. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, comment your comments in the comments below, and subscribe and hit the bell for future videos. I primarily make reviews and gaming contents very far away from this, and I still hope you like this though. That's it for now. Stay safe and God bless.